Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
You are welcome to Spellwell program.
Thank you, ma'am.
Myself, I am Pravalika. I am a science teacher. What about yourself?
Myself, Shanvi. I am from second class. I am studying in Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketa School, Park, Patla.
What is your father name?
My father name is Ramana. She is software.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Swati. She is homemaker.
Are you ready for the Spellwell program?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, your first word, bright.
B-R-I-G-H-T, bright.
Area.
A-R-E-A, area.
After.
A-F-T-R, after.
Following. Following.
F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following.
Abacus.
A-B-A-C-U-S, abacus.
Family.
F-A-M-I-L-Y, family.
Different.
D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different.
About.
A-B-O-U-T, about.
Habits.
H-A-B-I-T-S, habit.
Okay, now your GK questions. What is our country name?
India.
Okay. What is our state language?
Telugu.
What is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Very good. Which is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
What is our